COVID-19. Consider the domino effect. If you test positive for COVID, your close contacts are at risk. So, who exactly is a close contact? A close contact is anyone who was within 6 feet of an infected person for a total of 15 minutes or more.
Well, there were just a few of us at our weekly card game, but we've been doing that since forever.
I'm only inviting a few people to my daughter's Sweet 16, and I'll make sure they're wearing masks.
Although masks provide some protection to the wearer, there's always a chance that you'll be infected. Everything is important in your life, but nothing is more important than the health and well-being of your family and friends. All the more reason to keep your contacts to a minimum. One person's actions can change everything. For more information, visit www.cdc.gov.